What's up, guys? Let's take a look at him stock. Just pulled back $31 all the way down to 23.94. If you're scalping this, we're looking at first retest on this later on today. This is the bottom of the day. You can see 10 p.m. this is what it hit. And then also around 3:35 a.m. it was hitting around this level, 24.13. I'll be looking to scalp that when it goes there later. Most likely we will get a retest of this level. So let's wait and see if you're going to be scalping this in and out, quick trades, not long trades. Going to be in and out. Going to be looking for that level. We'll look for first retest, see how it does at $24 flat, and $23.94 would be like the last stop loss area for that. If we break below that, it's going to be going to about at least $22 per share. That is your last previous resistance right there as well. A few other stocks I just want to mention that I think are important to look at. ARM stock, same principle. On the last 5 days, our low is 204.26. If we do get a pullback, I'm going to be looking to make that first scalp trade. This is all 9:30 to 9:45 trading. If we do get that pullback, I'm going to be looking to buy off of these levels. Normally, when you get that bounce, you will get that for previous day low and then looking for that scalp. Obviously, your stop loss is going to be below that level as well. Next stock I just wanted to bring up to you guys is Netflix. Netflix is currently in a downtrend. We are looking to potentially make a swing trade on this. I'm waiting for a pullback to this range around $82 per share. It's another like 3% down. Around here, I'm going to be potentially thinking about a swing trade and holding shares on Netflix since it is all the way down from 108 all the way down to 85 already. If you look at that percentage loss, I think it's already 22%. So if we pull back a little bit more, 25% pullback, I'm going to be looking to pull in for some shares for a swing trade right there as well. Moving forward, last trade I was really looking at right now that actually has potential right now would be Chipotle stock. Chipotle stock looks like a short. If we can get to $30 per share, that's the move right now. I'd be looking for moves that bounce into this region area around 32.30. Looking for a push back into that level. Let me just show you really quick. Look at the drone tool. Zoom in. Looking for a push from like 32 to 33. Rejection. If we consolidate, and then look for the push lower is what I will be looking for down to this $30.60 range.